That's fifth.
Hit third!
Second.
Hit
Right,
third!
no third yet! We gotta
Third! We're in third gear, boys!
World's cheapest electric conversion right now.
Oh my gosh! Our shocks are not good. Bro,
That's 400.
oh! 12 too good.
Honestly, I'm impressed because come look at how little weld is actually holding that in. Please look at that. That's it.
That was it. That's all she wrote.
For Brandon's welds.
Our driveline has to go. Oh yeah!
That was pretty brutal.
Woo! Is anybody ready for the heat cannon?
Okay, so this is the part that a lot of people are worried about when they're doing EV conversions, and it's all about the batteries, really. So the hack that I'm gonna show you guys is going to your local junkyard. Oh, dude, I see them. I see them. I see all of them. They're right there.
Battery mother load. Oh, dude. Oh, she found the huge ones. Oh yeah, dude. She's got the ever starts, dude.
No, we need interstate, dude.
Dude, these things aren't the lightest on planet Earth.
That's what I'm saying.
They're a little heavier than you'd expect, but
They're cheap.
if you gotta throw a calf in it or two, like you've gotta throw some calves in it, like the fat guy calves, dude.
All right, next stop.
This is why you luck out and go to the junkyards. It's gonna be $9. So we're saving some money.
We need to reduce the gearing, or however you word that, so that we have the appropriate amount of torque at the wheels of the car. In this situation, you will be losing top speed, but you will get the appropriate amount of torque to actually take off. So we're gonna try to put a big pulley on the transmission and a much smaller pulley on the electric motor. So we're just in the pulley aisle of Tractor Supply, trying to figure out what gearing we actually wanna go with, or I don't know if you can call this gearing, but you get what I mean. Got some wiring. So we're in this for under 300 bucks.
I told you that she would break. Fuck that window.
So I found this bench grinder motor on Facebook Marketplace for 25 bucks. So I picked this thing up. To power this, we're gonna be using the Harbor Freight Jupiter power inverter here.
Is this not suspicious at all?
This is half suspect. Zoom in on my connectors here. I didn't want to spend the money since we're trying to make this world's cheapest, blah, blah, blah. We're literally just stripping the ends of the cable, which is 1/0, by the way. It's like actually pretty thick. And then we're just hose clamping the stripped ends straight to the battery terminals. It's definitely suspect, but it's definitely gonna work considering we're not drawing too many amps. But yeah, we have all the positives laid out now. We're just gonna get all the negatives together, and then we should be able to hook the inverter up and test the motor out.
Bro, I like your connector.
Yeah, dude, the connectors are sick. We saved like, I think each one of those connectors is like $6 at AutoZone or whatever, and one bag of hose clamps, this is like $3 at Lowe's, and you get all of your connectors in one bag. So, I mean, if you don't care how it looks and you don't care that it's suspect, send it. We have an EV and you don't. Today's video is sponsored by Collection Shield 360. Collection Shield 360 has fixed over 200,000 people's credit scores. Collection Shield 360 can typically increase your credit score by 30 to 120 points. So click the link in the description, sign up for free right now. Well, there it is. There is our EV conversions battery pack all wired up, so it's just 12 volts. We didn't get hurt while doing it, but I would highly recommend that you take some safety precautions. Take your time at the very least. So yeah, now we get to start mounting the motor and messing with pulleys and belts.
We are independent contractor, we know what we're doing.
Exactly. So here's what we're concocting right now. I got a new pulley. I got a custom pulley because I wanted the biggest one that would fit in the bell housing. So we're making some motor mounts now, just kind of using these to test the belt tension. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna plug it in first, and then I'm gonna test it in neutral. Because this, we don't have a tensioner on here. I'm gonna build a pulley that comes through here to tension this belt, but If I just leave it in neutral, it should just spin free. And then with the wheels off the ground, there's really gonna be no resistance.
That is so
Pretty
fast.
fast. I'm scared. I'm gonna
Go for your.
I'm gonna put it in gear. I'm gonna turn this on and then I'm gonna plug it in from way over here because I just really don't want to get hit with the belt.
Ah, it's good, dude.
Dude, we're on to something here. World's cheapest electric conversion right now. I'm gonna grab second.
Look, it sound like electric car too.
Ready?
It totally does.
Second gear. Hey, I mean, we might be able to get down the street.
Dude, honestly.
Turn some laps.
I'm gonna put a big giant switch in there so it's like a one of these
like-
big electric ones like
old
Black
school.
Ops zombies, dude. You gotta turn the power on.
Yo! You better introduce him. Hey, this is Rob Carlson, go-to driver.
Look at him.
He's crazy, he's wild.
This is why. This is why. This is
He's
why.
never drank.
Tell me, devil. Satan. it's Satan.
Oh, that's a door. Yeah.
Wait till that.
Okay.
Rob comes in here, and now we're not GFAB.
I did like this. I said,
race team.
I said I got it locked in, and then we eyeballed it.
Hey,
That's about right.
can't bring Rob Carlson anywhere.
He's too legit.
Because he's too legit.
Dude,
We are ghetto. Rob Carlson's not ghetto.
So check this out. We rigged up our little belt tensioner here. We put it on a nice little slider. Oh yeah. Dude. That's looking real good. Just gonna go right for second.
It's kind of like Harbor Freight pretty fast-ish.
I don't know if that's third or fifth. Doesn't matter either way it goes. Damn, I mean, we got decent wheel speed. All right, I'm gonna try fourth. Oh yeah. All right, ready? Moment of truth. Fifth gear. Fifth gear. Beautiful. Okay. We're gonna try reverse. Reverse now.
Oh my god, what?
Is this working? Yes, reverse gear. We're testing reverse.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, dude. All right, we're about to go try and drive this.
I didn't know that was today. Like you started this shit yesterday.
No, it's done, dude.
Why am I not done with that car?
Fancy shit over there. That's fifth.
So basically, you gotta like whoa.
Oh yeah,
No, this is typical Honda. Like it's slanted through gears, you watch it, and it's barely creeping by. I don't want to go too legit on you here.
Rob, that is not the spirit of Life OD. We don't use connectors here.
Okay, and here, just so you know, it's a negative. There you go.
Thank you. Wow, it's even labeled. You can't have Rob around here. He's too legit.
I can tell that a black cable is a ground and not a positive. Game over.
It's because all the positive cables in the trunk are all black.
Yeah, I know. The positive's really going through the rear speaker deck hole?
Yeah, we're armed here. All right, ready? Is that switch on?
It's off.
Go ahead. I'll give it power.
We're good. Oh, yeah.
It's not in gear.
I'm gonna put it in gear now. Here, let me sit in the driver's seat and I'm gonna pretend like we're actually trying to get somewhere right now.
Can I ride passenger?
All right. We're gonna attempt to bang the gears. Ready? So this is how it's gonna go. I'm gonna leave this.
I'll be the clutch.
All right, disengage. Engage. Disengage. Engage. Engage. Go. Next gear. This is it. We got it. It works.
We're rev matching.
Yeah, we can bang the gear. Dude, Rob is literally rev matching it. We're on battery power right now.
Dude, we should plug the other. What we should do is plug the other jumper into the battery charger. And have it charging.
Like the feedback loop. The light on the charger would be drawing electricity. We got it. Let's test it.
I forgot I had the gas pedal here.
Yeah, he's got that's the clutch.
That's our clutch.
Okay, we're going now.
Ready?
Yeah, we
ready for
got it.
clutch?
All right, ready?
Second. Clutch.
Second gear, baby.
Hit third.
Second,
Hit
all right.
third.
No third yet. We gotta
Third. We're in third gear, boys. Dare we grab fourth?
Yeah, go.
Not yet.
Yes.
Fourth.
We're in fourth.
Okay,
No.
neutral. I gotta test the
Neutral?
brakes. I gotta test the
All right,
brakes.
test.
Oh, my windows don't roll down.
We've never had this much weight in here.
There's no
My
power.
windows don't roll
All the
down.
power's to the motor.
Third is it. Third is the money.
We're on.
feel like
Whoa!
you feel that boost?
Oh yeah.
Ready for fourth? Up. Go.
Fourth gear, baby.
Wait, fourth gear. Ready for fifth? Fifth. Up.
Oh my
Go.
God.
Fifth gear. Fifth gear. Woo!
Highway speeds.
Oh my gosh, are we on the highway right now? I wish I had a speedometer.
Fire up that voltmeter.
For sure.
Oh, he said the power cable's a little hot.
A little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, that was a nice little grab. That was a little boost, dude.
All right, ready?
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Fifth.
gear.
Fifth gear. Overload. You hear it?
System overload. Check.
Oh,
Oh, man.
Oh, geez, what was that? Oh my God, bro, the power inverter or your thing is smoking.
Yep.
I literally see smoke coming out of this switch. Do you see the switch? Bro, the switch is literally gonna burst.
It's getting hot. I thought, oh my God. Bro, keep going. Fourth gear.
Fourth.
Do not come out of it. Send it.
I smell it. I smell it.
I'm jumping at the side door.
Oh my Lord.
Oh my God.
I feel like I'm in the most dangerous spot.
You are.
Yeah,
You
I got the shit. I'm like sitting on.
That's not smell happy.
No, dude, fucking Rob was holding the power strip.
Dude,
and
if
it
the
literally
power
was
strip's smoking, we had to reset it.
Is it hot?
Hey,
It's warm.
ciao. We were driving in a trap.
Conclusion: if you're trying to get into EVs, just do yourself a favor and buy a Tesla.
Tesla didn't work.
Tesla, fail. We still had a great time though, so like this video and subscribe with notifications. Be awesome.
Oh, I'm Rob Carlson. I'm gonna be giving away a game console of your choice. Xbox. What's another one?
Nintendo Switch.
Nintendo Switch. What's another one?
PlayStation 4.
PlayStation 4. All you gotta do is follow me on my Instagram, Rob_Carlson. Dude, these guys are awesome. Out!
We still.
Let's go.